5-door Thar is unveiled while test drive on Nasik-Pune road. This is a Thar. You can see 5 doors. पाच डोर या थारला दिलेले आहेत. So you can see here, front side 2 doors, back side 3 doors. Test drive is going on. Very good by Mahindra. Initiative taken by Mahindra.